Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Teen Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Manav Shankara Vara Prasad Girl Flu. Chiranjeevi shines with natural charm even if film leaves out more to be desired by Gautam as published on 13 January 2026. Mana Shankara Vara Prasad Guru is an action comedy film starring Chiranjeevi in the lead role. Written and directed by Anil Ravipuri, the movie features Nayanthara, Katrina Kaif, Zarina Wahab, Sachin Hitkar, Sodev Nair, and several others in key roles. If you are planning to watch the movie in theaters this week, here is the Prank Villa review for you exploring the good, the bad, and the final verdict of the film. The plot Manas Shankara, Prasad Guru follows the story of Shankara Varaprasad, a national security officer working for the NIA. He is married to Sasrika, the daughter of India's wealthiest man. The two fall in love despite her father's disapproval as Varaprasad comes from a middle-class background. Over time, Sasrika's father caused trouble in their married life, creating civil challenge after a series of misunderstandings, the couple has been living separately for 6 years, putting Vayaprasad's personal life in turmoil. As Shankara Varaprasad navigates these challenges in an effort to mend his fractured relationship and reunite with his wife, and Orpheus from his past resurfaces, threatening his family's safety. How Varaprasad balances these challenges and whether he reunites with his wife and children from the heart of the story. The good Manashekhar Varaprasad Guru is one of Chiranjeevi's finest acting ventures in recent years. The actor never feels out of place in the narrative, bringing natural charm and nuance to his character. He relies on his emotional depth, which might have felt exclusive in someone else's hands, but the megastar handles it effortlessly, staying true to his reputation. While logic often takes a backseat as expected to in an Anil Ravipuri film, the movie succeeds as a complete entertainer. It balances action and humor seamlessly, making it a light-hearted adventure that connects well with the audience. Even the subtle references to Chiranjeevi's previous films and perfectly instead of feeling forced. Most of the comedy sequences work effectively, making the film a delightful watch. Additionally, the combination scenes featuring Venkatesh Tikupati are particularly enjoyable. From a technical standpoint, almost every department delivers solid work. Themes, uh, scenarios, music, and background score complemented by fun visuals, making the film a delightful watch. Additionally, the combination scenes featuring with Venkatesh Digipati are particularly enjoyable from a technical standpoint. Almost every department delivers solid work. Themes, scenarios, music, and background score complemented by fun visuals and tight editing enhance the viewing experience. The costume design for Chiranjeevi also deserves a mention as it adds a stylish touch to his character, the bed. While much of Mana Shankara Varaprasad Guru works well, certain portions make the viewing experience feel tedious. The film largely relies on Chiranjeevi's laid-back performance reminiscent of his vintage role. However, both the first and second halves uh, contain moments that feel sluggish and overly stretched. This is mainly due to inconsistent writing, especially in the character ARC involving Venkatesh, which feels underdeveloped and lacks depth. Additionally, although the core storyline is generic yet serviceable, several illogical plot holes may bother viewers, particularly those who are not ordained Chiranjeevi fans. That said, despite these shortcomings, the film remains an entertaining watch. The performance Mana Shankara Varaprasad Karu ultimately rests on Chiranjeevi's shoulders with his subtle yet effective performance. He elevates the film and makes it worth watching. Nayantara provides steady support to the narrative while Venkatesh Digubati makes a strong impression despite limited screen time. Sachin Kedekar and Sharat Saxena also deliver a few memorable moments. Watch the trailer of Mana Shankara Varaprasad Karu. The verdict, Shankara Varaprasad Karu is an entertaining action comedy that largely delivers on what its promotional material promises. It turned out to be a wholesome family entertainer, especially suited for the Sankranti festive season. If you are looking for a predictable yet enjoyable film, this one is definitely worth watching in theaters. Disclaimer: the views and opinions expressed in this article are those of the author and do not reflect the official policy or position of Think Pela. No statement in this article is intended to defame, harm, on, or mala- malign any individual or entity. Outright, Allu Arjun and Lokesh Kangaraj to collaborate on a high-budget film. Director reportedly offered rupees 75 crore. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.